Trump talking about Hurricane Helene.
I had to get you. I had a call. They actually asked me, good people from North Carolina, let me tell you, but they were this was the worst water hurricane. They call it a water hurricane. It had more water than, I guess, anything they've ever seen. I know this. I was in Palm Beach, and we were actually hit, if you can believe it, lightly by comparison, but it spread all over the Florida landmass, which is amazing. They have no money. What a disgrace. So they have no money for the people of North Carolina that have lost their houses. Many have died. Many are missing. And it's a horrible thing, and they don't have the money.